Attention Bitcoin holders, we have a major trade alert. This one can honestly make you a lot of money, or it will save you just a tremendous amount of money. So pay close attention. Welcome back if you're returning. It's great to see you. If you're new, my name is Steve. Welcome in. Do you want to have less stress and more success? You absolutely do. Hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on the bell and hit that thumbs up button. Less stress, more success. Did you hit that subscribe button? Do that right now. Today is going to be a fascinating study with the Bitcoin NVT price. Now, on this chart in front of you, you've got two lines, right? The blue line is the Bitcoin price. You're already familiar with that. The one you're not familiar with is this green line. And this is a shout out to Willy Woo. I believe this is his Twitter handle. He's one of the few people I follow on Twitter. But this green line, this green dotted line, is the NVT price. Now you may wonder, well, what's the NVT price? Well, the NVT price essentially is an organic valuation, and it's supported by the long-term investors. And basically what they do is they use a bunch of on-chain data, specifically around volume, to garner this NVT price. Now, if that sounded a little bit confusing to you, let me keep it simple. There's two lines on your chart. When the Bitcoin price is above the other line, it means one thing. However, if the Bitcoin price is suddenly below that NVT price, it means a completely other thing. And by the way, we're below it right now. And that's what today's study and that's what today's video is really about. There's a fascinating correlation here that I'm going to point out to you, because right now, look, there's a lot of people that are really concerned about the Bitcoin price potentially going down to 20,000, and people are wondering, hey, should I sell now and buy back when it goes lower, or is this thing about to explode and go to the moon? What should you be doing right now? Should you be panicking? Should you be piling up with Bitcoin? Should you be selling into an altcoin? And in this video, it'll start to make sense. But you're here in crypto because you want to make more money, right? You want more success with your trading. If you don't have my free course, you're being completely left behind. It's free. You can go get it right now. It'll help your trading tremendously. This would be the #1 thing that you can do right now to improve your trading. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. The link is down below. Click right here to get your free course. You'll have it in 3 seconds. Go right now, pause this video, and come back. This will help you tremendously. And if you don't have it, you're going to be left behind. Now, back to the NVT price with Bitcoin. So we've set the ground rules. We've established these two lines. We've established the Bitcoin price, the NVT price, and we've established that we are below right now. Now, in order to completely understand what this correlation is and what it means to you, for you to better understand what you should be doing right now, let's break it down in a simple way, right? We had back here in 2012, the Bitcoin price was below the NVT price, right? And if you fast forward, we were below it here in 2013, and then we were below it here in 2015. Do you see a correlation so far with what happens when we are below this NVT price? Are you following so far? And then you fast forward to later in 2015, in early 2016, the Bitcoin price highlighted in this area was also below the NVT price. And then from that point forward, we didn't have too many signals, but they were short and right to the point. For example, this little data point here from July 2017 just peaked under, and this one just barely peaked under in September 2017. Now we had one of the outliers in February 2018, which came back from that 20K crash, right? Christmas time 2017. If you were involved in crypto at the time, this was a fond memory when we were at 20K, and then it was quickly distorted during February. That crashed down below. This actually peaked down through the NVT price. And then fast forward, we didn't have another one until coronavirus, right? We went from February 2018 all the way until coronavirus, having a peak right down through the NVT price. And then fast forward another year plus, We have another one. So in total, we have 8 data points. We have 8 times in Bitcoin's entire history in which the price action was below the NVT price. Now remember, in the beginning of this video, I said when Bitcoin price is above the NVT price, it means one specific thing. However, when it's below, it means something drastically different. Now, in this video, I wanted to give you a trade alert, something that will really help make things clear and understandable, because right now there's a lot of confusion. Now, what I don't want you to do in Bitcoin or in crypto is really focus on the day-to-day. When you're focused on the day-to-day price action, oh my God, Bitcoin is up $3, it's down $27, and that day-to-day is going to cause you a lot of stress. In this channel, it's less stress and more success. So you take a couple steps back, you look at a big picture chart like this that has 8 data points for 10-year history. You understand that those data points are relatively strong, and then you start to gain some clarity. Instead of focusing on all the stress and nuances of the day-to-day, you take a couple steps back, you have a breath of fresh air, you have less stress and more success. Now, 8 data points. 7 of them were an incredible buy opportunity, right? Meaning price action, Bitcoin's price action was below this NVT price. It was an incredible pump from that point forward. Fast forward to 2013, Bitcoin price below NVT price, an incredible pump, right? Same thing here. These are incredible buying opportunities when the NVT, when Bitcoin's price was below the NVT. You can see here in February, you can see here in late 2015, early 2016, same thing, incredible buying opportunity. And these quick data points here, also the same. Bitcoin, went from around 3,000 up to 20,000. Right? And you can see the coronavirus also peaked down through, incredible buying opportunity. Why do I mention that? We have peaked down through right now. So out of these 8 data points, 7 of them were incredible buy opportunities with major pumps. Not a pump of 10% or 20%. These were major, multiple 100% pumps, right? There's one outlier, and that was this one. Back here in February 2018. That was the only false data point relative to what we're trying to accomplish here with incredible buying opportunities. This was a false signal. Now, if you're in crypto or you're in Bitcoin and you're looking for something with 100% accuracy, and somebody tells you that some indicator or some formula is 100% accurate, they're completely full of crap. There's nothing on planet Earth that's 100% accurate. You have to go with probability and statistics. So if we have 8 data points, 7 of them were incredibly accurate for an incredible buying opportunity, and we have 1 false data point, that's incredibly strong. Just looking at the facts, right? So could we be in a situation like this? Absolutely. I don't believe we are. Just based on the market structure that we've seen near the top, it's not congruent with something that represents a market peak and a blow off top. What happens at a market cycle peak and a blow off top, price action acts very differently than one of this nature. One of this nature really represents a lot of market structure being built for the next cycle. So if that's a little bit confusing to you, let me put it in simple terms. I think it's an incredible buying opportunity right now. I could be wrong, but the facts and the charts are really screaming. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of blood in the streets. People are really calling for us to go to 20,000 or 15,000 or whatever the number is. Usually the market will do the opposite. And I like this study that's in front of us right now. And I would say it's an incredible buying opportunity, right? This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. However, I'm just interpreting the data that's in front of us, and that's my take on it. I don't believe we're in this situation, although it could be possible. I think more the latter is true, that we're in one of these potentially in this kind of situation here, or one of these situations here, where we have a great opportunity at our fingertips. Now, if you're looking to understand better of when to sell cryptocurrency, definitely watch this video. I made it several years ago and people have loved it, even though I really didn't know how to make videos several years ago. I'll have it pop up right here. Click right there and watch this video. There'll also be some more pop-ups coming with some of our recent videos, so make sure you look at those videos. A lot of them, like if you're a fan of XRP, we did a price prediction for 2021. If you're a fan of Ethereum, we did a price prediction for 2021. We also did the same with Cardano and Dogecoin, so make sure you watch those. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Less stress, more success. You're going to be coming right here. Turn on the bell and hit that thumbs up button. And now one quick tip for Steve's secrets to success. I would reiterate the fact of stop with the day-to-day. Look at the week-to-week or the month-to-month. The day-to-day is causing you too much stress. You already know that. You're in the news every day. You're watching all these videos every day, and it's all good news and bad news, and your emotion is high and low and high and low. You have to remain level-headed and even keel. And if you're not doing that, it's because you're in the day-to-day. You've got to take a couple steps back, look at the week-to-week, look at the month-to-month. If you're not sure how to do that, that's what we do here. That's what we do here. This is your new home. So hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you, everybody, for your continued support over the many years. It's very interesting now that pretty much everyone is doing crypto videos. Even people that have no idea what crypto is, they've never been in crypto, they got in crypto 4 minutes ago, and they had a YouTube audience before, and they just start making crypto videos. So just be careful out there. It's getting a little bit dangerous. So tons more videos coming. I will see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.